Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Tara Gay Nicole here. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. So I'm here today with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing some items that I picked up for my planner. And I don't want you to just see it in a video and be like, well, when did you get that? So first thing, I already opened this one because I kind of really like it. And I used it like the first day. So what it was, or what it is the Happy Planner stencils. And you get 2 stencils in a pack, and these are the stencils that you get. You get a one that's both are checklists, but one is list with dots and one is list with squares. And then I went a little ham. So I did a lot of squares on one of my layouts. I love it for work because I usually do work here. Then I'll do home and other, and then I'll make my list. So I've been really enjoying using these stencils. They actually nicely clip right into the Happy Planner. So I'm super excited about that. Those were $4.99 I got these all at Hobby Lobby. So this one, and of course I used my 40% off coupon. I have made the lady ring me up 2 different times and told her some of them were for my friends. Don't judge me. This is a dashboard, and I do have a few plans for these. I've been looking. I haven't actually opened this. I just bought it, so I haven't looked at what all of them look like. This, I'm assuming, is what they look like. This is the life, plan your dreams, and then a basic one. I'm thinking about making myself a goals or my favorite quotes dashboard using one of these. Just to keep for inspiration through the debt-free journey and just life in general. So let's take a look at them. So this first one says, it's see-through, which I kind of really like, but I'm going to keep the white paper there so you guys can see. It says, plan your dreams, with a lot of little confetti around the sides. And it seems to be a little iridescent. I hope you guys can see that. And it's got a cute little heart. Very pretty. I'm really liking that, and I love that it has a little notch up at the top so that you can put a sticker there and make it your title of whatever you're going to have there. And then the next one is more basic, which is probably one that I will use for something else, and that's just some zigzag lines, and it's clear also. I believe this is silver, and then the tab is in the middle, which is nice that they moved them to different sides so that they won't cover each other when you put them in the planner. And the last one is just polka dots that says, this is the life. Again, life has that really nice iridescent feature, and I love the black and white. This could probably make a nice created up dashboard as well. So we'll see. I haven't figured it out completely yet, but I did want to buy those. I believe those were $4.99 as well. Keep in mind there were coupons used. I bought this because I should have waited on this initially, because I bought the colored ones, and y'all saw me trying to make dashboards and stuff, or little easy quick access things, but the fact that they were purple, blue, and all of that really aggravated me. I felt like it limited my color scheme, and I really wanted to pick up white ones. I'm going to probably redo a lot of my cheat sheet dashboards and put them on the white paper, because and then I'll use the purple paper for notes and things like that, because I don't mind writing on that. So you get 2 types of paper, I believe. One is like a 20 sheets of paper of note paper, and then 20 sheets of paper of graph paper. I like the note paper because it looks like lines, which is always a good thing, and I'll just show you guys what they look like. This is the lined paper. Basic paper, nothing crazy. And the graph paper looks like that. And I'm sure you can use either one. That's fine. I'm excited that they're white, so they won't clash with any of the color schemes that I want to do or decorating. Then last but not least, I really wanted to get into starting recipes, and there was a recipe insert that I saw on Amazon, but it was like $12 or something. And then I went into Hobby Lobby, and this was $24.99. Of course, I used the 40% off, and I paid like 15 bucks for this. So I was like, it was worth it to get all the pages. So I do want to just walk you through real quick what this looks like. This is a recipe organizer. It's space for 192 recipes, which is a lot, which is amazing. So as I try new recipes, if I like them, I plan on adding them to the book. Recipes, a collection of favorites. Very pretty cover. I really like that whole pomegranate kind of tart look there in the greenery. I love that the inside here is a polka dot. That is beautiful. And then I love that they give you a whole bunch of, a decent amount of grocery lists and weekly meal plan sheets so that you can do your grocery list and your meal plan in here as well. And then it says a collection of favorites from the kitchen of, and then I would put my name there. I love that they have a quick reference guide here. It's your custom quick reference guide of common kitchen substitutions. So if you don't have baking powder, it says you can use 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus a 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar or another thing. So that's kind of cool that they give you substitution lists if you just can't use it or you don't have it. This one, and I love that this comes with little tabs here to give you different kinds. So you have family favorites. And this is a beautiful picture. And then on the back of this, it gives you measurement equivalents, which is amazing. It'll go from teaspoons to cups to fluid ounces, and then cups to fluid ounces to pints and quarts. That's very helpful. And this is pretty much what the spread looks like for the recipe. So you put, I assume, the recipe's name, the ingredients there, how you prepare the recipe, serves how many people, your main ingredients. Then you can choose whether it's a 1 to 5 difficulty, how much prep time, how much cook time, the temperature you cook at, and any notes that you have, and what you think is a good thing for them to be served with. This is like everything you would find on someone's online recipe cards, but I think this is really nice to have just as quick references instead of always trying to look it up or add to favorites. And I'm just a person that likes to hold things in my hand, so that's a thing. And then you know it's a family favorite because it has a little purple in the corner and it coincides with the purple. So that's pretty much what all of these sheets look like. So I'm not gonna, walk you through all of them, but I will show you what they have on the front covers for each one. So this one says main dishes, all in good taste. That looks so yummy. And then it has meat cuts on the other side, which is amazing. It has all the different meats, beef meat cuts, pork cuts, lamb cuts, then the green for your main dishes. Then they have some of the sweetest memories are made when gathered around the table. That's really nice. And obviously that's a really good quote because this is your entertaining section. So all your recipes that you would use for entertaining. And this is a smart backing to it because it is setting a table and a formal setting of a table, a casual and a formal setting of a table, which is cool because that would be a part of entertaining if you did that. Now they have another section which is savor, which is probably going to get really filled for me because it's your slow cooker section. I love a good slow cooker meal. If you love a good slow cooker meal, don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Actually, I'm very interested for you to tell me what your favorite slow cooker meal is, where I can find a recipe. Like, is it Pinterest? Can I just Google it? Because I'm trying to build up this recipe book and I want to try a few things, and slow cookers and one pot meals are my favorite. So if you have a favorite slow cooker or one pot meal, let your girl know down below. And this one doesn't really give you any clues or tips or anything, but it's cute. I love anything black and white. It looks like you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not sure if there's 12 in each section, but there's 12 in this section. And keep in mind, you use the front and the back, so you really get 24. The next section would be healthy fare, and that's this delicious, scrumptious, tasty, flavorful, nutritious food. They're basically saying your healthy food can be tasty as well, which is very true. You just have to try a few things. And then it says food. Buy it with thought, cook it with care, use less wheat and meat, buy local food, serve just enough, and use what's left, don't waste it. So that's really nice behind the healthy fare because that's really good tips if you're trying to eat healthy and not waste food. Your next item section would be quick and easy, which I love anything quick and easy because in the evening, sometimes you just want to come home and go to sleep. It's crazy. and just be able to throw something really quick and just be done with it. I don't even have kids and I still want quick and easy. So I don't know how you guys who have kids are doing that. Eat good, feel good. And this looks like it's some kind of, what are those chia seed pudding. And this just has some forks, knives, and spoons on it. We're almost there, guys. Then we have the secret ingredient is 1 heaping teaspoon of love. I love that. And this is your dessert section. A big old donut, which is really cute. Really not cute. It looked good. It looked like it's yummy. And then the back only says, let's eat. I really am loving these red discs. Very pretty. I don't have anything with red discs. And then last but not least is just your miscellaneous categories. Love and food. It's all about the spice. Yes, I love good spicy food. I'm Jamaican, so I love spicy food. And if it's not seasoned well, spices, seasoning, if it's not seasoned well, it's really not for me. And then on the back of that, you get basic cooking times. Oh, I like this because sometimes I'm like, how long is it for chicken again? So you get al dente, basting, beat, blanch, broil, caramelize. Oh, that's really nice. And then you get your other set of recipes for the miscellaneous section. And I also like that they put the tags on the other side as well. Really excited to add into that. And then the back just says live creatively, and it's more polka dots, which I love. Polka dots. And the back here is just, take this off, it's just probably blinding you, sorry, vertical black and white stripes. I love the color scheme of this. This was well worth the $14-15 I paid. I'm so excited to start adding recipes to it. I'm so excited to revisit this book probably like at the end of the year to see what we've added and how well I've done. But those are just the little things I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing them all. And if you're interested in them, that's where I found them. I will see if I can find them on their website and link all these down below for you. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you always. Thanks for coming back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.